What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this one we're gonna be covering the series I started last time, the building a faceless channel from 0 to 10k a month. I'm just gonna be showcasing everything about that channel in this video, how it has gone so far, all the videos, if anything went viral, etc. Today's video, as you can see, completely flopped. I have no idea why. It was basically the same as usual. I have no idea why it didn't go at all. As you can see, we're currently at 65 subscribers, which is not bad for a week, I guess. I mean, it's not the best, obviously, but I'm still testing the videos. And as you can see here, we got a couple like decent videos here. Like this one popped, the first video popped. As you can see, it hit 27.2k views, which was pretty cool. But after that, it kind of died down, as you can see here. Yesterday's video went pretty well, as you can see, at 9k views. Maybe it can still go another push. It looks like maybe, because this is not that bad, 80%, as well as this, almost 100%, which is very good. I think we can definitely get this channel monetized with time. Obviously, it's not gonna happen fast, because I'm still learning how to create like perfect Roblox content. I'm still new to it. These are the audience analytics so far. This is pretty basic for Roblox. This as well. This is good that we're getting US and UK viewers. So yeah, basically so far this is how it's looking. It's not the best, but I think we can work with this channel. I'm gonna give you another update, guys, in another week. And hopefully we're sitting at like 500 subs by then at least. And like 500k views. That would be just perfect. So yeah, that's it guys. That was just a quick update, and I'll see you next time.